welcome to another video. Today a package came from Amazon and it's my birthday. 28th is my birthday, and apparently it's a toothbrush because of this thing. Yeah, basically I tried to charge it and it just didn't show any sign of life. So one day I just told Mom, let's just get another electric toothbrush, because first of all, this doesn't work anymore, because even if I put it into the charger, it's not working apparently. Yeah, so today is my birthday and let's unbox this brush. Sorry, old brush, I gotta say bye-bye to you. So, from the back, this consists of, wow, all sorts of amazing things. First we have our brush, then our charger, then our bristles, then some cap thingy. Although I think this might be a very nice brush. And there's no adapter cable. Great. So now I have to use my phone's adapter. That's great. So let's remove our brush here and one of our bristles. This one seems to look good, so I'm gonna remove this. Oh, it's not sticking on. Yeah, now it's stuck on there. And yay, we have our brush. Does it work? It has 6 modes, right? So it basically has 6 cleaning modes. It's waterproof, and it has 3 heads with 1 extra head. Yeah. I think it can remove up to 99% of the plaque removal thing. Yeah, it might be it might be upside down for you, maybe. It's from Agaro, sorry if I spelled that wrong. Agaro Cosmic Light Electric Toothbrush. So yeah, let's see how this goes on. I think this goes like that. Yeah. So we now have our cover for the toothbrush as well. Tell me in the comments if I'm wrong, so I can know that. So let's check all the other cleaning modes. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and close. Yeah. So that is all of the cleaning modes. I think I've tried this brush at my friend's house. Yeah, I basically know how it's gonna be. So this one is much lighter than this. You see, this is heavy and bulky, while this is light and thin. Okay, height comparison, I think this one wins. Yeah, this one definitely wins in height comparison. This one's much cooler. It has black and red, while this one has white and red. Yeah, basically. So, yeah, I've tried this. I think it's all vibrating in the teeth. yeah, it feels good. Like all the modes feel good. They like you actually feel like you're getting your teeth cleansed, and the bristles are really soft. Let's do some A. Listen to this. That is so nice. Yeah, so I am gonna put this back into the package because I don't want to use it right now. Because, for safety reasons, I will use it tomorrow. Because if I use it today, I might even get it lost. The whole entire packaging might get lost because we're cleaning for my party. It's from Agaro. It is a Cosmic Light Sonic Electric Toothbrush. Personally, from me, I like these toothbrushes because you don't have to do too much work. Yeah. So that is it for this video, basically. Again, it's from Agaro. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by anything. And it's just a normal unboxing video. Goodbye, everyone. Please like and subscribe. It's my birthday today.